Hello and welcome to the very first video of this channel. Today we are going to study about tourism, its types and the forms. So, what is tourism? It consists the activity of a person traveling to and staying in a place outside their usual environment for not more than a consecutive year. For example, if you travel to some other country and stay there, see, experience all the destinations, enjoy the food and culture and consume things over there and return within a month, then this whole process is known as tourism. Types of tourism. There are mainly two types of tourism, international tourism and domestic tourism. When a person travels outside of its country, it's known as international tourism. There can be two types, either inbound or outbound. In inbound, people from outside travels to your country, and in outbound, you travel to some other country. Now, when a person travels within its own country, then it's known as domestic tourism. Forms of tourism. There are many forms of tourism which is based on the purpose of the visit within or outside the country. Don't get it confused with the types of tourism. Some of the forms are leisure tourism. It is one of the major forms of tourism where the purpose is to enjoy and relax. Second, business tourism. It consists mainly of meetings, incentives, conferences, events or exhibitions. Third, sports tourism. It refers to a travel which involves either observing or participating in a sports event while staying apart from a tourist's usual environment. Third, medical tourism. It is the reason why people travel from one country to another country. It involves many tourist activities besides getting just a treatment. Pilgrimage tourism. It is a form of tourism where people travel mainly for spirituality, faith and religious activities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share with your friends who are studying tourism